Hey everyone, today I'm going to give you a quick demo on how ViewClix's instant video calling feature works. It's really simple and entirely hands-off for your senior loved one. So behind me I have our ViewClix 15E. It's our big and bold frame, you're going to love it. Or we have our more sleek and compact 10E frame. What's important is the video call works the same on both, so you can really pick the size that best fits your family's needs. So a few things before we make the call. So our default mode with our frames is auto answer. And what that means is you'll initiate the video call, the frame will ring to announce the call, and then it'll automatically connect and start. You can disable auto answer if you want to, and you can update that at any time. It's great for the system. And so if you disable auto answer, they just press any button on the ViewClix remote control to accept the call. So right now I'm going to demo our auto answer. So you can call the frame in a multitude of different ways. You can use a laptop, you can use a desktop computer. Today I'm going to use my iPhone. You can use an Android too, an iPad. ViewClix works for all of them. So I'm going to open up my ViewClix app, sign in if you need to, and then I simply press make a video call. So you'll see it start to load on your phone. It's going to take a few seconds for the call to connect, but you hear the ring. And then you'll see me connect on the frame. So there I am. So you can talk, have a good time. How's the weather? What's new? What are they feeding you today? Do you like the menu? Then once you're done, you simply press the hang up button on the call, and the call automatically ends and heads back to the slideshow of photos for them. So you can see it's entirely hands-free. It's really simple to use and very user-friendly, not only for you, but for your senior loved one too. Thanks for tuning in today, and I'm excited to show you more about ViewClix. Have a good one.